Hey guys, and welcome to this new video. Today I'll show you how to make your own Wii sensor bar with items around your house. What do we need? A Wii remote, a random paper, some matches or a lighter, small candles, and last but not least dolphin or a Wii itself. Okay, first let's set up dolphin. If you are on a real Wii you can skip this step. First open up dolphin. Click controller settings. Click on sensor bar position and select bottom. Now click on Wii Mode 1 and select Real Wii Mode. Now on your Wii Mode, tap 1 and 2 at the same time and wait for it to rumble. Now click OK and go to the next step. Making the sensor bar. Pick your paper, a ruler and a pen. On the paper, write 2 dots 20 centimeters away from each other. Pick your candles and put them on the dots. Getting all things to work. Okay, pick your matches or lighter and light the candles. Remember, always keeping safe while using fire. Now, everything should work fine. And look, there is no sensor bar hidden, so we made our own Wii sensor bar. Thanks for watching this video and see you in the next one.